Hello, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about one of the most popular homemade health drinks. Apple, beetroot, and carrot juice. Simple, colorful, nutritious. Many people enjoy this drink in the morning as part of a healthy lifestyle. This combination brings together 3 nutritious plant foods. Each one contributes valuable vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's begin with beetroot. Beetroot contains naturally occurring nitrates. These compounds help support healthy blood circulation. Good circulation helps transport oxygen and nutrients throughout the body. Another important ingredient is carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene. Your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A. Vitamin A supports normal vision and immune function. Then comes apples. Apples contain antioxidants, vitamin C, and natural plant compounds. They also add a pleasant sweetness to the drink. Another important benefit is nutrition. This colorful juice provides a variety of nutrients from 3 different plant foods. Many people enjoy it as an easy way to increase their fruit and vegetable intake. Now let's talk about antioxidants. Apples, carrots, and beetroot all contain natural antioxidants. These compounds help protect cells from oxidative stress. This supports overall wellness. Another important benefit is hydration. Fresh juice contains water along with valuable nutrients. Proper hydration supports many important functions throughout the body. Then comes energy. Many people enjoy this juice in the morning because it provides natural carbohydrates from fruits and vegetables. This may help support daily activity. Another advantage is convenience. The ingredients are simple. The preparation is easy. Many people prepare fresh juice at home using a juicer or grater. Some people choose to drink about 200 milliliters in the morning as part of a balanced diet. However, it is important to remember that no single drink can guarantee perfect health. Healthy living requires balance. Nutritious foods matter. Regular exercise matters. Good sleep matters. Stress management matters. Everything works together. Now here is the key message. Apple, beetroot, and carrot juice is a colorful, nutritious drink that may support circulation, hydration, daily nutrition, and overall wellness. When combined with healthy habits, small choices can make a big difference over time. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us continue creating valuable health content. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Stay healthy, take care,